Planning your next spooky celebration? These 8 Halloween potluck ideas will make your gathering hauntingly delicious and completely stress-free. Whether you're hosting a party, joining a classroom event, or bringing a dish to a community potluck, these recipes are easy, festive, and perfect for all ages. Let's start with number 1, Witch's Cauldron Chili. This comforting dish blends smoky, hearty flavors that feed a crowd. You'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 bottle of dark beer, 1 diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper to taste. Brown the beef with the onion and garlic. Then stir in the beans, tomatoes, sauce, beer, and all your spices. Let it simmer for at least 30 minutes to blend the flavors. Serve it straight from a black cauldron, topped with a ghost of sour cream and green onions. It's spooky, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. Next up, number 2, Creepy Crawly Veggie Platter. This one's a healthy, colorful option that looks incredible on the table. You'll need 1 cucumber, 2 bell peppers, 2 carrots, cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of ranch dressing, and black olives. Cut the veggies into sticks and arrange them in a spider web shape. Use halved black olives for spider bodies and thin slices for legs. Add a ghost of ranch dressing with olive eyes for fun. Keep the veggies crisp by storing them in a shallow water bath until serving. It's fresh, playful, and perfect for both kids and adults. Number 3, Mummy Hot Dogs. A classic Halloween favorite that's as fun to make as it is to eat. You'll need 1 package of hot dogs, 1 can of crescent dough, and mustard or ketchup for the eyes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the dough into thin strips and wrap each hot dog like a mummy, leaving small gaps for eyes. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Once cooled slightly, dot on tiny mustard or ketchup eyes. They're bite-sized, adorable, and guaranteed to disappear fast. Number 4, Spiderweb Dip. This one looks fancy, but is incredibly simple to make. You'll need 1 can refried beans, 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup shredded cheese, black olives, and tortilla chips. Layer the refried beans on the bottom, spread mashed avocado on top, then sour cream, and finally the cheese. Pipelines of sour cream across the top to form a spider web. Finish with olive spiders. Serve chilled with tortilla chips, and watch everyone dig in. Number 5, Ghostly Cupcakes. Because no Halloween party is complete without something sweet. You'll need 1 box of vanilla cupcake mix, eggs, oil, and water as directed on the box, 1 jar of white frosting, and chocolate chips or candy eyes. Bake the cupcakes and let them cool completely. Frost each one with a rounded white top, leaving a tail at the bottom like a ghost. Add eyes using chocolate chips or candy eyes. They're simple, charming, and perfect for little helpers in the kitchen. Number 6, Bloody Mary Syringes, a spooky twist for adult guests. Mix Bloody Mary mixed with vodka and fill clear plastic syringes using a funnel. Garnish with a celery stick or an olive for effect. Keep them cold in a bucket of ice and watch your guests enjoy the creepy fun. Just remember, these are for adults only. Number 7, Pumpkin Spice Popcorn. Sweet, crunchy, and perfect for sharing. You'll need 1 bag of popcorn, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Pop the popcorn, melt the chocolate in 20-second bursts, then drizzle it over the popcorn. Dust with pumpkin spice, toss to coat, and let it cool. For extra fun, add candy corn or orange sprinkles once the chocolate sets. And finally, number 8, Caramel Apple Slices. A nostalgic treat that everyone loves. You'll need 2 apples, 1 cup of caramel, and toppings like nuts, sprinkles, or mini chocolate chips. Slice the apples, drizzle or dip them in warm caramel, and add your favorite toppings while the caramel is still soft. Serve immediately, or chill briefly to set. It's simple, shareable, and always a hit at any Halloween gathering. With these 8 spooktacular Halloween potluck ideas, your party will be a haunted hit. Mix and match dishes to suit your crowd, and don't forget to add your own creative flair. Happy Halloween, and may your table be as magical as the night itself. Be sure to check out this video for more.